Hello, students. In this lesson, we will learn about data mining technology, application in the field of logistics. Main contents are how to apply data mining in modern logistics, and the data mining process in the logistics field. 1. How to apply data mining in modern logistics. Big data in full swing. Almost overnight, big data has become the buzzword in the IT industry. In fact, big data is not a completely new thing. Google's search service is a typical application of big data. According to customers' needs, Google can quickly find the most possible answers from the global massive digital assets or digital garbage in real time and present them to you, which is a most typical big data service. The characteristics of big data: 4 V's: volume, variety, value, validity. First, the data volume is huge. It leaps from TB level to PB level. Second, there are various data types: weblogs, videos, pictures, geographical locations, scientific observation records, text messages, blogs, etc. Third, the value density is low. Take video as an example. During continuous monitoring, the useful data may be only 1 or 2 seconds. Fourth, the processing speed is fast. What can big data mining do? On the 26th of January 2014, Baidu Map launched the Big Data of Population Migration during the Spring Festival. People can enter the city name, query the city's population, immigration, and emigration. During the Spring Festival travel rush in the past 8 hours, find out which cities the city's population migrated to, and also query where the city's immigrants came from. They can also query the popular routes of immigration and emigration for the city in the past 8 hours. More accurate user research, more accurate user recommendations. For example, WeatherCall is an American company that can analyze and predict consumer behavior based on the time, place, and frequency of people checking the weather. The company has accumulated more than 75 years of meteorological information, covering weather in North America and other regions, including cloud cover and other data. Based on this big data, WeatherCall can not only provide users with simple weather information, but also through data mining, analyze the impact of weather on user consumption. This prediction of user consumption behavior can not only give users a new shopping experience, but also attract advertisers who require high precision in advertising placement. Netflix has 27 million subscribers in the United States. Every day, users generate more than 30 million actions on Netflix and also give more than 4 million ratings
and 3 million search requests per day.
With this data, Netflix knows exactly what users want to watch and also knows which elements of a television series are likely to become an overnight hit. Netflix's engineers found that users who like BBC dramas, director David Fincher and veteran actor Kevin Spacey overlapped.
If a film meets these elements at the same time, it is likely to be a big hit.
Facts prove that Netflix's bet was right. House of Cards became the most watched series in the history of Netflix and was a hit in the United States and more than 40 countries. After Valentine's Day this year, Facebook released a statistical chart showing the change in the number of posts from an account before and after a certain point in time. The number of posts before this point
was significantly higher than after, indicating that you fell in love at that point. A team of scientists from Facebook's data research department found that
using the site statistics, can determine whether and when a user posting sparks of love Another example, when you are looking for a partner, you meet a beloved girl. The big data system, like a fortune-telling system, based on the mining of massive data of both sides, tells you the matching index with the girl, tells you the divorce probability of couples and similar situations worldwide. And if it is below a certain matching index, the big data system will carefully advise you to seriously consider whether to continue dating this girl. On the 2nd of March 2014, the 86th Academy Awards ceremony was held as scheduled at the Dolby Theatre. Who among the nominees would finally win the Oscar was the focus of discussion from all walks of life, and also became a popular betting item for major gambling companies. However, back in 2013, the suspense of the 85th Academy Awards was revealed in advance. What did this was big data analysis. And as early as the 2012 US presidential election, David Rothschild used a general data-driven model to accurately predict the election results in 50 states and the District of Columbia, out of a total of 51 districts, accurately predicting 50 of them, with an accuracy higher than 98.2. Data mining process in the logistics field. 1. Define business problems. 2. Build marketing database. 3. Prepare data for modeling. 4. Build data mining models. 5. Model evaluation. 6. Apply data mining to customer relationship management solutions. How to apply data mining in modern logistics. 1. Overall view. Improve the overall efficiency of logistics decision-making through classification information by type, quantity, location, and date of goods. Understand daily operations and financial situation. Control the transportation cost of each good and inventory changes. 2. Reduce inventory costs through data mining system. Centralize transportation data and inventory data through data analysis. Which goods to ship first to ensure appropriate inventory. 3. Cargo grouping layout. Transportation recommendation reference analysis. Through relevant information mined from statistical records, can be found that customers who transport a certain kind of goods may transport other goods. 4. Market and trend analysis. Use data mining tools and statistical models to study the data in the database carefully, to analyze customers, transportation habits, and other strategic information. 5. Customer segmentation. Customer segmentation is to divide consumer groups to several small segments. Consumers in the same segment are similar to each other. 6. Gross profit. The relationship between logistics enterprises and customers is a continuously developing relationship. Gross profit is based on the principle of mutual benefit for both parties. Customers benefit from getting more and better services that meet their needs, and enterprises benefit from business growth. Issues to note when using data mining technology. 1. Avoid duplicate investment. 2. Technical personnel and their quality. 3. Selection of data mining tools. 4. Data quality. 5. Data preparation. This lesson ends here. Goodbye.